So I think the biggest challenge is resistance to change. Within the manufacturing industry, a lot of people are very old school in the way they do things. So the idea of putting robots and all this artificial intelligence into their production lines makes them very nervous. So I think that is the biggest problem at the moment, is resistance to change. As a business, that's what we're trying to help people with, trying to give them that little bit of comfort and put that soft blanket around them really and say, look, it works, it's good, and this is proof really. So I've loved hearing all the speakers, hearing about what other people are doing. That's been fascinating. The MTC as well, amazing location. And I think it's just really opened my eyes to the amount of people that are looking for these kind of solutions. I've gained some really good contacts from it. So yeah, it's been a brilliant event.